Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles are high-performance paddles designed to elevate your game with a focus on spin, control, and consistency. Available in two variations, Halo Pro and Halo Control, these paddles cater to players seeking either enhanced power or precision in their gameplay. Featuring a premium carbon fiber face, the paddles provide excellent durability, responsiveness, and the ability to generate impressive spin. This material allows for precise shot execution, giving players a competitive edge on the court. At the core of the SLK Halo paddles is the RevCore Power Polymer Core, engineered to deliver a balanced mix of power and control. This honeycomb-style core ensures optimal energy transfer on contact, offering powerful returns while dampening vibrations for better comfort and reduced arm fatigue during extended play sessions. The core also enhances the paddle's consistency, making it more forgiving on off-center hits, a crucial feature for players looking to improve their accuracy. The paddles are ergonomically designed, featuring a comfortable grip that absorbs moisture and ensures a secure hold during intense matches. The lightweight yet sturdy construction provides excellent maneuverability, making it easier to respond to fast-paced rallies and execute a variety of shots. The paddle's design prioritizes spin potential, enabling players to apply topspin, backspin, and slice effectively, which is ideal for advanced strategies. The SLK Halo paddles are suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners looking for consistent performance to advanced players seeking precision and control. With USAPA approval, these paddles meet the standards for competitive play, making them versatile for casual games and tournaments alike. In summary, the SLK Halo Pickleball paddles combine advanced materials and thoughtful design to deliver superior spin, control, and consistency. Whether you choose the Halo Pro or Halo Control, these paddles offer excellent performance, durability, and comfort, making them a great investment for serious pickleball players. Number 2. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle set is a great choice for players of all skill levels, offering durability, performance, and value. The set includes high-quality fiberglass paddles, which are lightweight and provide excellent control and power. The fiberglass surface ensures a responsive feel and consistent ball contact, allowing for precise shots and improved spin. It's designed to cater to players who prioritize maneuverability and accuracy in their game. The paddles feature a polymer honeycomb core that enhances shock absorption and reduces vibration, making them comfortable to use even during extended matches. This core design provides a good balance of power and control, making the paddles versatile for both offensive and defensive plays. The lightweight construction makes them easy to handle, allowing players to respond quickly to fast-paced shots. The set is designed for men and women, featuring ergonomic grips that provide a secure and comfortable hold. The grips are sweat-absorbent and cushioned to prevent slipping, ensuring a steady hand during intense games. This design reduces hand fatigue and enhances the overall playing experience. In addition to the paddles, the set typically includes other essentials like pickleballs and a carrying case, making it a complete package for players ready to hit the court. The included balls are designed for durability and consistent bounce, suitable for a variety of court surfaces. The carrying case offers convenience for transporting and storing your gear, making it ideal for players on the go. Overall, this pickleball paddle set offers excellent performance and value, combining a fiberglass surface for precision, a honeycomb core for comfort, and ergonomic grips for ease of use. It's a well-rounded choice for beginners and experienced players alike, suitable for casual games and competitive matches. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent choice for players seeking a complete, high-quality setup. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and a convenient carrying bag, providing everything needed for casual or competitive play. Designed with performance and comfort in mind, the SLK Latitude paddles feature a G4 graphite face, offering a lightweight yet durable surface that enhances precision and control. The graphite face is ideal for players looking to improve shot accuracy and generate spin with minimal effort. At the heart of these paddles is the polymer RevCore, engineered to balance power and control. This honeycomb core design absorbs impact effectively, reducing vibrations for a more comfortable playing experience. The core also provides a consistent, forgiving response, making the paddles suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced competitors. The ergonomic grips on the paddles are cushioned and sweat absorbent, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold during extended matches. The lightweight construction allows for quick reactions and easy maneuverability, whether you're defending against fast volleys or setting up a precise drop shot. The bundle also includes 3 high-quality pickleballs that deliver consistent bounce and durability across various court surfaces. The accompanying carrying bag is both stylish and practical, making it easy to transport and store your gear. This USAPA-approved bundle is perfect for anyone looking to get into pickleball or upgrade their current equipment. Its well-rounded features, graphite construction, polymer core, and ergonomic design ensure reliable performance and long-lasting durability. Whether for recreational play or competitive matches, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle provides great value and quality, catering to players who prioritize control, comfort, and convenience in their game. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a top-tier choice for players seeking precision, power, and comfort. Its standout feature is the graphite carbon fiber face, which offers a lightweight yet highly responsive surface, delivering excellent ball control and shot accuracy. This material allows players to generate impressive spin while maintaining consistent performance, making it a versatile option for both offensive and defensive plays. The paddle is equipped with a Onix honeycomb core, a durable and lightweight material known for its superior power and stability. This core provides a solid feel and quick response, enabling players to execute fast-paced shots and adapt to high-intensity rallies. The combination of the graphite surface and honeycomb core ensures a balanced blend of power, control, and maneuverability, catering to players of all skill levels. For comfort and ease of use, the Mod Z5 features a cushion comfort grip. This ergonomic grip is sweat-absorbent and provides a secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended matches. The grip's cushion design enhances comfort while allowing precise control over every swing. Additionally, the paddle's lightweight construction promotes quick reactions and effortless handling, ideal for dynamic gameplay. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is USAPA approved, making it suitable for tournament play. Its sleek design and high-performance features make it a reliable choice for players looking to elevate their game. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced competitor, the Mod Z5 delivers on all fronts: power, control, comfort, and durability. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is an excellent option for players seeking a professional-grade paddle. Its graphite carbon fiber face, honeycomb core, and cushion grip ensure optimal performance, making it a favorite among players aiming for precision and power in their gameplay. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is a well-rounded choice designed to deliver performance, durability, and comfort, making it ideal for players of all levels. This paddle features a reinforced fiberglass surface, which is both lightweight and responsive, offering excellent control and shot precision. The fiberglass face enhances power without sacrificing touch, allowing players to execute a variety of shots with ease, from delicate dinks to powerful drives. At the core of the paddle is a honeycomb polypropylene construction, known for its durability and ability to absorb vibrations. This core design provides a consistent and forgiving response, reducing hand fatigue during extended play while enhancing comfort. It also helps balance power and control, making the paddle versatile for both casual games and competitive matches. The Joola Essentials paddle is equipped with an ergonomic grip designed for comfort and stability. The cushion handle absorbs sweat and ensures a secure hold, even during intense rallies. This feature not only improves handling but also minimizes strain on the wrist and arm, making it suitable for long matches. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, this paddle offers quick reactions and smooth play, whether you're returning fast volleys or aiming for strategic placements. The paddle's construction is also durable, ensuring it can withstand frequent use on various court surfaces. Overall, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle combines advanced materials and thoughtful design to provide reliable performance for players of all skill levels. Its fiberglass surface, honeycomb core, and ergonomic grip make it a versatile and durable option. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced player looking to refine your skills, this paddle delivers the power, control, and comfort needed to excel on the court.